Happy 2020!
Hey.
Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and
hit the notification bell so that you actually get notified when we make our videos and upload them.
yeah, YouTube. And this year, we've got some killer videos coming your way, so you're gonna want to subscribe, hit the notification bell. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Ready?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. You're just looking at yourself in the monitor. Hi. Hi.
This is why we haven't filmed a video in a while. It takes some time.
Happy 2020, everyone.
Mm-hmm.
We've missed you.
Yes, we have. But it's a new decade. And that means many, many exciting things on the horizon.
Last year was probably the hardest year of our lives.
It was the hardest year of our lives. In a different way. Having a baby, being new parents, trying to run a business, a long, dreary winter, recovering from birth. There's a lot of things.
Yeah, but this year we feel refreshed, we feel more energized, we feel more adapted to parent life.
Still crazy.
Still crazy.
Super crazy. Yeah.
But it's made life more rich, it's made life more exciting, and that's the attitude we're going into this new year with.
I'm being summoned to give birth.
We want to talk to you guys a bit about last year and then mostly about what we're doing this year. That's all the exciting stuff.
Okay, we're gonna take a boot break. We'll be back after this short boot break. Booby time complete. Baby successfully napping. Quiet high five. Yeah. The biggest change that has happened most recently is we bought a house. What? Yes, we actually bought our first house. And not just Sia and I, we teamed up? No, we got together with another family. Not that way either. We're living together with another family. We bought a house with them. They have 2 kids, so there's 3 kids running around, a dog, and 4 adults. It can get pretty crazy, and we're still adjusting because you would when you come together with another family and learning about each other's, quirks and things you don't like, things you do like, making chores work. There's a lot to figure out and understand and get comfortable with, as well as like a new home. It takes a while to feel like it is your home, but this area is amazing. We are living in the Blue Mountains, which is the only mountain in Ontario. It's a hill compared to like the West Coast, but it's beautiful here all year round. There's so much to do. There's skiing and snowboarding, there's a Scandinavian spa, there's a really cool community of hippies, I like to say, because my type of people can go ecstatic dancing and do yoga and like other really cool sacred ceremonies and just being outdoors. That's what it's all about here. People who live here love being outdoors. There's tons to do, so we look forward to showing you all of what you can do in this area, as well as giving you a home tour in a future video. Stay tuned for that.
So one of the biggest questions that we got was what happened to Luna? What happened to our Airstream? We were living in our Airstream for like 18 months. We traveled across Canada, we went to California. What happened to Luna? Everyone wants to know. We still have Luna. Don't worry, and we're gonna do more adventures in Luna. Right now, she is locked up in storage, safe, avoiding snow and winter and moisture, because we have a lot of big adventures planned for Luna. But when Kristen got pregnant, we couldn't stay in Luna in Canada in winter, and we didn't want to have our baby in like Mexico or the US. So that's why we stored Luna and just stayed in a condo for a year while we raised Kai. But now Kai is over 1 and she can now enter back into Luna and we can go on adventures together. So this spring and summer, we're doing a massive road trip. Back in Luna, back on the road, back in our tiny house, back to compost toilet, and we are definitely going to bring you guys along for the ride and then maybe meet up with some of you along the way, depending where you are.
For the past year, we have been working on redesigning our website. Not even just redesigning, but like revamping the entire blog. It is going to be your one-stop shop for everything travel related. You can plan your trip from start to finish and even have resources for when you are in country and when you come back home. You can get inspiration, you can get help choosing your destination, booking airfare, booking accommodations. Everything can be done on our website. You can book your flights and your accommodations and your activities. Connect with other travelers. You get hacks and tips and packing guides, as well as in-country advice. And when you come home, sometimes it's hard to deal with that post-travel depression or wanting to figure out a way to travel longer. We're going to have all those resources for you on our website. So it's very exciting. It looks very beautiful. You're getting a little preview of it right now. It's everything that we wanted and have been thinking about for years and more. We are so excited to show you guys this. It is going to be launching real soon. So keep an eye out for that. Follow myself and C on Instagram if you want to be the first people to access it, because that's usually where we share information first in our Instagram stories, so you can go and check that out. And we have also come up with our new tagline, like our new focus. We have found that over the years we have been, yes, travel, but in so many different directions we've gone with travel, from food and solo travel, couples travel, backpacking, luxury. We've kind of gone all over the place and not had a clear focus, but now we do. And our focus is adventurous couples and families. That is what we're going to be making content about. That is who we're going to be making content for. We're really excited about this focus. And this year is just really exciting. I feel inspired. I feel rejuvenated. I feel like taking this time away has allowed me to build up that creativity again and that inspiration and that motivation. So I'm pumped about what's ahead, and I'm so excited for you guys to see this new website.
And what about the trips that we're going to do this year? Last year we did some incredible trips. This year is going to be just the same. And you guys have another opportunity to travel with us. We've done trips to Guatemala, to Ecuador. They were hugely successful. A lot of those people booked up the next trip and the next trip because they loved it so much. A little out of breath. I was running up and down these stairs doing that intro a few times. We're also on a mountain, so altitude is another thing we gotta deal with. This year, 2020, we are hosting another group trip with the HTG tribe, you guys, and it's to Costa Rica. It's a country Kristen and I have loved for years. We visited there once, like 10 years ago. We fell in love. We wanted to move there, so we definitely wanted our group trip to be there to expose it to you guys as well. They're very eco-friendly. They're very health conscious. Their diet is incredible. There's a blue zone there where people live to be well over 100. So we're very excited to launch this trip. We opened it up privately to people that have come on previous trips, and already the Costa Rica trip is half booked. So you guys should definitely sign up. There's a link below so you can click and see. We're doing some volunteer work like we did with all of our other trips, except this one is going to be with animals. There's been some devastating chaos happening around the world with animals, so we wanted to volunteer our time and our money towards animals, giving back to the rainforest and working with sloths and seeing sea turtles lay eggs and possibly hatch on the beach. It's going to be so incredible. It's going to be so amazing. So I really hope that you guys can join. And if you can't join this time, just at least sign up so that you know for the next trip and the next trip you get notified. We also have a trip to New Orleans this year, and that's to speak at TravelCon, which is this incredible travel conference with amazing speakers from all over the world that you guys can come listen to and learn from, mingle with. So I'm very excited. Last year was dedicated to just raising a child, and even though she went to 6 countries, I feel like we didn't travel with her all that much. But this year, it's going to be super dedicated to more traveling with Kai, expose her to more of the world. I want to see her get dirty and dirt from different countries and playing with kids of all nationalities and learning different languages and eating different foods. Oh, it's it like sparks that love of travel all over again. Kristen is also planning a second trip to Costa Rica, but it's all dedicated to health and wellness. So the location is spectacular. It's going to be in one set location with day trips around, and it's going to be like great food, yoga, meditation, just good for the body, good for the mind, good for the spirit, good for socializing, and all around well-being trip. So stay tuned for that.
2020, let's do this!
Yeah, I hope you guys are just as excited as us. There's a lot of changes, a lot of improvements happening with us and our brand.
Yeah, and for those of you who have been following us for the past few years, or even from the beginning, 2010, thank you for watching, and we're excited for what's to come.
Yeah, this is our 10-year anniversary.
It
for
is.
our business.
What will we do? Well, you just have to stay tuned to find out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any upcoming videos. You will not want to miss them. So, yeah. All right, see you in the next video.